Hi guys, no, we're not gonna ever do welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a vlog though. It's Taco Tuesday and I have with me
fine ass Nneka.
Yes. Okay, calm down. Yes. I'm gonna do like an effect there for you, you know. So that, but we're gonna try 5 taco trucks today to see which one is best or just to enjoy. 5, yeah. Are we enjoying or like?
Yeah, I look good.
Okay, we're gonna go, guys. See you later. So we are going to our first taco truck. We don't hold on, let me fix the light. We don't really know which one we're going to, but we're just gonna go to any taco truck.
Oh, Nneka just
flip your hair on my face one more time.
Can you unlock this, please? Oh, I thought that was
that's my phone.
Okay, guys, yeah. I know you guys want to hear about my life.
Wait, my jacket is outside. Wait. Oh my god, my hair. Oh my god.
First off, Beatles is open, I think.
Beatles? Let's go to Beatles first.
Not Beatles. What is it called? The one that everybody goes when they come here.
Beatles, the one by the house, right?
The one by the gas station that get gas off.
Shells? Well, I know it's not Shells Taco Truck. But yeah, we're gonna go to the first one, guys. And yeah.
Are you excited? Because I'm excited. But
I'm excited
to taste it, but we'll taste it for you.
She's not from London. Are you excited for today?
Totally excited for today.
Excited to eat. I'm just really excited to eat though, but try everything. I just hope I don't get food poisoning.
No, do we even have cash? They don't take cards.
I have $5 for now.
Wow.
But
wow.
Do I have $5?
The taco person is shaking right now at your $5.
Shaking in the boots. I just hope their tacos are $1 though.
They're not, are they?
Right.
Hi guys, welcome back.
No. Welcome back to what? So we're going to, what's this one called? Yep.
This is Leo's, which is the famous taco truck in mid-city Los Angeles.
Okay. My Bible is just looking like, what the f she doing on the camera? But we're here. We're here.
You order? You go ahead. You get in one beef. What are you getting?
Let me just get 1 chicken, please.
2 chicken, 1 beef. Yeah. To go. Actually, for here.
No, for here. For here. Yeah. Oh, I have a 22.
Oh, that goes pay for all the tacos.
Yeah, thank you. That can pay for what?
All the tacos after this one.
I have to go down because this camera. Look that. The first taco, my tacos. Oh hell no!
It's tradition to pray first.
Yeah.
Covers food budgets. Amen.
Amen. Please can you show them your tacos because my tacos are kind of weird.
So this is what the general taco would look like.
Yeah, I just don't like the little extra.
The chicken and the thing. You put the onions on it. Every taco truck I think has that. This is the chicken. I'm gonna taste it first.
Just I respect the chicken. Mmm. Mhm. Yep. What?
Okay, it was good. The chicken. I always like the beef more, so I always eat the chicken first because I save the best for last. And that. You can finish the taco in 2 bites. You could be extra and keep wasting your time, but normally you're just supposed to gulp it in. Mine's falling apart.
2 bites. Me, I'm done. Mm. Whoa! That was good.
Okay, I'll tell you what the beef is like.
So we're going to the second.
It's tricky with the beef one because sometimes they don't know how to flavor their beef.
True.
But this truck I think does, so.
Okay.
Cut the camera.
Okay, so that was good. We're going to the second taco truck. It looks like we're at the same place, but it's literally across the street.
What's that? If I'm single?
Nobody asked if you're single. You got, okay? Nobody did. Wow.
If you're above 6'2", I totally am. Oh, they have tripe taco.
What's that?
The tripe that we eat at home.
Oh. Okay, we're at the second taco truck. What is this called? This is Taco Super Galito. Whatever. I don't know. But yeah, we're here. Okay guys, so we got the second tacos. I got beef this time. What?
I got tripe, and I thought they were talking about I thought they were talking about Shaki from our culture, but they're definitely talking about, what is this? Cow tongue.
Oh my god, really? Well, you're gonna eat that. So you guys, I got beef this time, and this time it looks good. It might be though, but just like into beef. Yeah, whatever. Okay, Taco Tuesday.
I'm just gonna eat half of it because, you know.
Yeah, actually, Loki don't like this. What? But
if you don't like the beef, guys, I made a mistake. I'm not about this life of cow tongue. When you heard me order, you couldn't say something?
I didn't know what that was. I was like, okay, you want to try? I mean, we're trying everything on the menu today, except for that.
Ugh. Alright, let me just try it because we're already here.
It might be good. On a scale of 1 to 10, 2.
I wouldn't do it again.
Okay, so that's a 2.
If you normally do eat cow tongue, you can definitely
my face, I'm like
enjoy this, I think. Bachata for the win. Where are the napkins?
So,
alright, put some beef in here. I want to try their beef. I just did that.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try their beef. I like my sauce. I'm a little scared. You said you don't like their beef?
I mean, it's not my fave.
No.
Pass me a drink, please. Wow. Thanks.
I definitely like the other beef from the other truck better.
And I like the chicken better. Well, we didn't have chicken though.
Yeah, but their beef is what I talked about. It's not.
Basically.
No. It's not as seasoned as it should be.
Okay, now we're cutting the cameras. So we have 3 more trucks to go, and we're already halfway full. But we're gonna like not drink a lot of water, so we can have like room in our stomach to eat the 3 more tacos trucks that we have to go to. So far, so good.
Except for that tripe substance, I would not eat it again. But if you like tripe, cow guts, cow tongue, I think they did it really well.
It's a good camera.
Like I look like a snack.
Okay, we're here at taco truck number 2. 3. Wow. 3. I took French class, guys. So we're here, taco truck number 3. So yeah, let's see what I want. What do I want this time? Sorry, we're just looking. Should I get chicken again?
What's lengua?
This is number 3. We might really stop at number 4 because we're getting full.
And we can't find it.
And we can't really find taco trucks, so we're not gonna drive around.
Alright. This is chorizo. Alright.
Chorizo. Did I say it right?
I like it.
I don't like this one. Because cold. So we're going in the car. I don't like this one.
I lied. Not that I didn't like it. She was looking at us through the window, but
that's their business. I don't like it.
It has this aftertaste that's not.
But we're going to number 4 right now. So we're going to the fourth taco truck. The third one was trash. And after that we're going to Tuesday, $6 Tuesday with
I look like an idiot. Don't ever turn the camera to me like that again.
We're going to $6 Tuesday. $6 movie Tuesday. Well, I really said $5 Tuesdays, but it's really $6 because it's 5 plus tax. You know what I'm saying? Because America want to tax us for every goddamn thing. But yeah, we're going to the 4th one and we're gonna stop there because I'm just tired of eating tacos. Tacos is really not my thing. I came up with this idea this morning and Nneka agreed to it instead of her telling me no.
I really should have said no.
Yeah, but
you know where we're going?
Yeah, I know where we're going, straight down. We'll see you guys at the 4th taco truck. So we're at Beatles, guys. I'm actually very familiar with Beatles because I like Beatles.
It's also closed.
Closed! Closed! Wow, you guys, so Beatles is actually closed.
Wait, can you check on your right side if you see my charger on the floor or something? Like on the side of it. Yep, perfect. Eh? What? Nah, I thought the door just closed.
Beatles is opening.
You gonna wait here for them to open?
Okay, no.
No, I'm asking. It's up to you. I just don't want to miss my movie. I haven't started yet. So.
What time is it?
So I have to go to the Apple store. And then for the movie, so.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna wait for Beatles for like 10 minutes if they're not fully open.
Him how long it's gonna take.
Okay.
Hello? Hi. Hi. How long till you open? How long till you open? 10 minutes? Okay.
10 minutes, yay. Okay. We're gonna wait 10 minutes. If it's really not 10 minutes over, because I'm like, we're actually over this whole Taco Tuesday thing. But yeah. So Beatles is open and they are ready. This is taco truck number 4. Hi. Sorry, I'm vlogging. It's just Taco Tuesday. So I'm gonna get 1 beef and 1 chicken.
Anything else?
No, to go please. No, for here. Yeah. Okay, so we have our last. This is taco truck number 4. Beatles. I got chicken this time around because you can't go wrong with chicken.
And I got beef.
She got
but
beef.
I don't got beef for anybody, just to be.
Oh, boss, we're corny.
Did you wanna kill me with onions?
You said you wanted onions.
All right. Again, the beef is seasoned properly. So I'll definitely be returning here.
Yeah.
If I ever turn this corner and I'm driving somewhere. Yeah. How's the chicken?
I always like the chicken. Well seasoned. That's the last. I know we said 5, but we have other things to do. Yeah. So I'm gonna say this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for tuning in to my vlog once again.
You're right.
I'm alright, man. Yes, I'm chill. Don't know break. Okay, let me stop doing that. Oh my God.
This is fun.
Okay, so thank you guys for tuning into my channel for my Taco Tuesday video. Some tacos were good, some tacos were You know what I mean. We're not gonna say it on camera, but cut the cameras.
They were
trash.
No, they weren't trash actually. It's just choice and preference. And
yeah.
Peace to all and all to peace.
Cut the cameras.